First time out in our new enclosure.
Awesome. I love it. Nice day. 36 degrees out today.
And no coat on.
Getting ready to take my bibs off. We're going to go out and play with the boat. A lot of new stuff to check out. Got the graph fixed. We're going to play with it, get it all tuned in. We've changed some things on the live scope. We might play with that a little bit. Most of all, just enjoy being out here today.
Jay ordered his Stormcat, and because of COVID reasons, they were discontinued making enclosures. So he did his research and found a company that would let him design his own, and he made it taller. We saved money and designed it to fit our needs, extended it so you could sit in the back seats and not rub your knees on it. And all of our tall children can fit in here just fine and not rub their heads. So we're excited. We'll let you know how it goes.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure I missed that crossover bar. Canopy. And we're right here at this crossover bar. I think I hit it too. Oh, I'm going right down in it. Seeing that?
Mm-hmm.
That's a big ball of something.
Oh my gosh. We found him.
Big live well. Open the back door for me, sweetheart.
We got bait. Ready to catch some catfish now.
Put the plug in. We're gonna suspend fish right here, so I'm rigging up some Carolina rigs, and I had everything rigged up in Sandy Cooper, modified Sandy Cooper style, and with floats. So I'm rigging up some Carolina rigs so I can suspend some bait straight down. We found some fish down here underneath us I'm interested in. So I didn't have any Carolina rigs, so I dug out some weights out of the boat, and we're gonna drop some baits on these fish straight down. And we're just spot locked right here. We're in 70 foot of water. Basically, I got my 2-foot leader line with my 8/0 circle hook, and I snelled hook. I tied the snell knot in that, and on that one there, I just retied the swivel back on there. So I just put a Palomar in it. So I'll put my weight, and I make these little. I don't know if you can see that. That is a little aquarium hose, rubber hose. So that's how I make my sliding sinkers. Then I got a hole bored in that, and I can put my snaps through there, and that's what I put my weights on if I'm dragging a weight or something like that. That's going to protect that from tearing anything up. So that pole's ready to rock and roll. Hmm? He's all right. Keep tension on him. He's fine. Oh yeah, looky there. What you got there, Mama? Here, you trade me. You video, and I'll fix your mess for you.
Okay.
Open your mouth.
That's a nice one.
I'll unhook it, and you get to hold it. Mama caught a cliff pig, but it's a slot fish, so we're going to turn it loose.
There he goes.
Did you go down?
Yep.
All right.
Yeah.
Is that fun?
Yes.
Are you fishing, Mom?
Yes.
You get any more bites after your cliff pig?
No. No more bites.
Okay. Showing you around inside our little cabin here. Got the heater working. It's going good. That's what we're fishing right there. I don't know if you can see what that says, but at the bottom of the hill, it's 100 foot deep. We're sitting in about 70 foot of water. Wrapped around this line.
Uh-oh. No, but that's a eater.
What do you think about that?
Nice.